Hello, dear friends. Myself, Dr. K. N. Gaikwad, Department of Botany, KTHM College, Nasik. Our botany paper first title is Taxonomy of Angiosperms and Plant Ecology. And we have already started ecological grouping of plants. Out of that, we have completed hydrophytes and gerophytes. And today we are going to learn next two groups, epiphytes and mesophytes. Epi means above, phyton means the plants. That means the plants which are grow on another tall trees. They fix their root system on host plants. Such type of the plants are nothing but the epiphytes. This is one of the ecological group of plant, that is epiphytes. Epiphytes which are grow on other plants but will prepare their on food unlike parasite. That means they are green colored leaves. They prepare their food material, absorb the moisture from the environment as well as some epiphytes directly from host plant. Grow in places where there is a regular rainfall. Where rainfall is very high, at that region you will get large number of epiphytes. They also require plenty of humidity in the atmosphere. Regular rainfall and humidity is requirement of epiphytic plants. They bear three types of the roots: clinging roots, velamen roots, and aerial roots. Velamen roots are having the velamen tissues, and with the help of velamen tissues, they absorb the moisture from the environment. Clinging roots fix the plant body to the host plant. They produce large number of seeds. Now, these are some diagrams of roots, epiphytes. This is the host plant is there, one of the twig of large trees, and they show the clinging roots are there. And these are the aerial roots. And that aerial roots are having the velamen tissues. And with the help of these velamen tissues, they can absorb the food material. The leaves are mostly green in color. The size of the epiphytes are very small. Now let's see what are the adaptations found in epiphytes. The number of leaves are very few. Now see, this is one of the epiphytic plant. These are the leaves are there. The leaves are leathery or succulent leaves are there. They are thick in nature. And if you take the section of the leaf, you will get the thick cuticle is there. And on the upper and lower epidermis, they show the sunken type of the stomata. Sunken type of the stomata is nothing but the xerophytic character. Because root systems are not in the soil, that's why they require the water and store the water with the help of the sunken stomata. That means sunken stomata become check the loss of the water. Now let's see classification of epiphytes. Ecologically, there are four types of the epiphytes. That is, first one, proto-epiphytes. Second one, hemi-epiphytes. Third one, nest epiphytes. And last one, tank epiphytes. This epiphytes classification is based upon the morphological feature and types of roots. Now let's see one by one. First of all, proto-epiphytes. A really homogeneous group and includes species that are compelled to acquire nourishment from the surface of supporting host. That means they absorb the food material from the host and from atmosphere. They absorb the moisture. Examples are afforded by certain ferns, Peperomia, and number of Asclepiadaceae family. Most of the Asclepiadaceae members are epiphytes. They frequently lack any definite adaptive feature, except perhaps aerial roots with velamen tissue. Second type of the epiphyte is the hemi-epiphytes. These are plants which germinate and pass through their early development on host structures, but subsequently become connected with the ground by their own root systems. As regards their nutrition, they are subjected to the same condition as our ordinary terrestrial plants. That means they can prepare their own food material. Examples are given by epiphyte trees and some root climbing large aroid and Syndapsus apicinalis. They are the examples of hemi-epiphytes. Third type of epiphyte is nothing but the nest epiphytes. This group is composed of some characteristic species which by appropriate and efficient devices collect. Large quantities of humus and water is the requirement of nest epiphytes. Examples are given by many orchids. And last one, tank epiphytes. This plant develops fibrous anchoring roots which do not take part in the water absorption. Leaves that are variously modified absorb water and manufacture nularium, food. Nularium, Tilandisia, and other epiphytic species of family Bromeliaceae are common plants of this group. In this way, we have completed the four types of epiphytes. The first one, protoepiphytes, second one, hemi-epiphytes, third one, nest epiphytes, and last one, tank epiphytes. Now, these are some pictures of protoepiphytes and hemi-epiphyte. Now, see, this is the protoepiphyte, this diagram. It became absorb the water from environment as well as host plant and also prepare the food material and also absorb the food material from the host plant. Now, these are the hemi-epiphytes. They become show the root system to the soil and they are autotrophic. Now this is the diagram of nest epiphytes. They are in groups. There are some diagrams of epiphytes. This one, lichen is also here, and this is the orchid. This one is also epiphyte, and all the epiphytes become cover the total trunk of host plant. Now in this way we have completed epiphytes and last group of ecological group, that is mesophytes. We have seen hydrophytes, the plants which are grow in plenty of water, where rainfall is more and more. Second group we have seen xerophytes, the plants which are grow in scarcity of water, that means desert plants. Third group is that the plants which are grow on tall trees, they are called epiphytes. And last group as per our syllabus is nothing but the mesophytes. Mesophytes means they require the moderate supply of water. Our common plant, mango, neem, other crop plants are nothing but the mesophytes. Mesophytes are ordinary plants which extensively grow under the average condition of temperature and moisture. Habitats characterized by moderate or well-balanced supply of moisture and are called mesic habitat. These plants are intermediate to hydrophytes and xerophytes. And the definition of mesophyte is that the plant which are grow in mesic habitat. Mesic habitat means moderate supply of water and moisture are called mesophytes. They are typically land plants growing in well-drained soil containing moderate supply of nutrient elements. Such plants lack the special modifications, special structural and physiological adaptations. Now let us see what are the external ecological features of mesophytic plant. First one, root system is well developed and branched. For example, mango plant, neem plant, root cap and root hairs are present. At the tip of root, you will get the root cap is there. That root cap become protect the root from hard nature of substratum. Third is that the stems are aerial and branched. Fourth one, the leaves are generally large, broad and thin. The leaves are various shapes and the leaves are produced horizontally without hairs and waxy coating. These are the external ecological features of our common plants. Internal ecological features of mesophytes. The cuticle is moderately developed in all aerial parts of plant. Epidermis is well developed without hairs. The cells lack chloroplast. Epidermal cells lacks chloroplast. Stomata are present on both surface of leaves, upper surface as well as lower surface. The guard cells of stomata shows movements. Opening and closing movement is there. Stomata are open during daytime and closed during night time. You have studied in physiology. Sixth feature is that in dicot leaves, mesophyll is differentiated into palisade and spongy parenchyma. Mostly palisades are present on upper surface and spongy parenchyma are present on lower surface. With many intercellular spaces are there. Mechanical and vascular tissues are well developed. In summer, they undergo temporary wilting because of high temperature. The lower epidermis in leaves has waxy, wavy lateral walls, where as in hydrophytes and xerophytes, lateral walls are straight. Now these are the internal features of the mesophytic plant. And last, some exercises are there. Assignments, you have to solve all these questions. First question is that what are epiphytes? Epiphytes are defined as the plants which are grow on the branches of tall trees. Define mesophytes, the plants which are grow in mesic habitat. Mesic habitat means moderate supply of water and moisture. Third question, describe internal characters of mesophytes. Fourth one, what is the function of clinging roots? To fix the plant on the host. What are adaptations in epiphytes? And last one, describe any two types of epiphytes. Thank you.